If your AC unit is getting old, you'll likely need complete AC system repairs in Lawton, Oklahoma. Here's a look at a few reasons why you may need HVAC repairs. Are you experiencing rising energy bills for no apparent reason? If so, a failing AC unit may be to blame. If your complete AC system hasn't been maintained properly, many problems could arise, leading to an increased energy bill. Your fan, refrigerant, or other components could cause your AC to malfunction and work extra hard. Homeowners also call for AC repairs to make their homes more comfortable. Older complete AC systems have difficulty keeping up with modern cooling needs. They can struggle to maintain a comfortable temperature, which often leads to your AC unit running endlessly day and night. Finally, calling for AC repair can help extend the lifespan of your HVAC system. Properly maintained complete AC systems will easily last for many years. Fixing small issues today can prevent them from worsening into major problems tomorrow. And if you've been looking for the right HVAC team in the Comanche County, you've found it. Call Robinson Air today at 580-699-5760 for reliable service for your complete AC system.